In today's short tutorial, I will show you how to turn on automatic addition of new apps to the home screen on a Samsung Galaxy phone. If you want every new app you install to be immediately available on the home screen, this option will be very useful for you. Stay until the end of this video and follow my steps. So, here's how to do it. First, open the settings on your phone. Then, scroll down a bit and when you see the home screen option, tap on it. Once you're in the home screen settings, find the option for automatically adding new apps to the home screen and tap the switch next to it to turn it on. And that's all you need to do. When you install a new app, it will immediately be available on the home screen. That's the end of this video. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you very soon in my next video, and thank you so much for watching.